Hello viewers. Welcome to a new video of our blockchain learning journey. Have you ever wondered how to track your crypto transactions, or what happens when a blockchain splits? Today we're diving into some fascinating terms that will unlock these mysteries in blockchain technology. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up your knowledge, this video is for you. So let's get started. First, let's talk about block explorers. A block explorer is a tool that lets you track blockchain transactions like a search engine for the blockchain. Block explorers let you see all the new blocks being created and search for specific transactions and wallet addresses. It's a way to stay informed about what's happening on the blockchain. Next up, we have block height. This term refers to the number of blocks between the current block and the very first block, also known as the genesis block. Simply put, it measures how many blocks have been added to the blockchain since its inception. Now let's discuss about key pairs. When you create a blockchain wallet, a pair of keys is generated, a public key and a private key. The private key is critical and should always be kept secure and never shared with anyone. The private key allows you to access and manage your digital assets. The public key, on the other hand, is like your bank account number. It's safe to share for receiving funds. Moving on to hard forks. A hard fork is a significant change in the blockchain protocol that requires all nodes to upgrade to the latest version of the software. There's usually a transition period where miners can show their support for the hard fork. If some nodes do not upgrade, it can cause a chain split, creating two separate blockchains. The chain with the most nodes or the highest hash rate is considered the original chain. Finally, let's cover replay attacks. These attacks often occur after a blockchain undergoes fork or split. When you send coins on one chain, an attacker might try to replicate the transaction on the other chain. For example, if you send 1 Bitcoin, it could result in 1 Bitcoin Cash being sent as well. And there you have it. We've covered block explorers, block height, key pairs, hard forks, and replay attacks. These terms are essential in blockchain. Keep learning and exploring, and you'll become a pro in no time. Well done. You have just learnt 5 blockchain terms in this video. I'm sure you enjoyed this informative video. Press like and subscribe to our channel. It costs you nothing but helps us create more content. Let's continue this journey together. Thanks for watching.